Here is a final version of the property listings web page. The HTML file contains a header area for your banner. The navigation is vertical and horizontal down here at the bottom. You will see H1 and H2 tags. You have an address element. You have a table for holding data. You have an aside area. And you have figure elements within the aside. And then you have a footer area down here at the very bottom. There are accessibility alt tags for the images. And this one doesn't have it, so that needs to be added down here. That's how you can see whether you have alt tags added, is right click and see image info. You also would want to add title tags to your links. Notice the scrolling properties, which is a slideshow. You have rounded corners on the images and a drop shadow. And you have a figure caption. There are 3 style sheets linked to each HTML file. We'll look here at page source, and here you see 1, 2, 3. 3 of the CSS files linked to this HTML page. One style sheet should contain special visual effects. The special effects should include a linear or radial effect gradient. You want to include a text shadow, box drop shadows, rotated object, and semi-transparent styles. Here the image in the background is semi-transparent. After doing your online research on web forms for realty companies, decide on the layout style to use for your Contact Us form web page. Go to our Contact Us page. Here you see a finished version of your Contact Us form web page. This form should contain content desired by a potential real estate client making an inquiry for more information. Include a drop-down menu with real estate choices to select from. Include matching colors and logo theme from your listings web page. Your form should validate with the correct info entered. Use the stop and go images from Tutorial 6 for validating and visual appeal. And we hit the submit button. Test your hyperlinks on the 2 pages. And use temporary page pound markers for the other pages, the links. Notice the map link down here. You're going to set the link up to a Wake Tech physical address designated in Google, which you found. Good luck on your final project.